Welcome to episode number 42. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today is a first. We're going to have Mrs. Stark, one of our teacher's dogs, Peanut, as our special guest.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Nice job, Peanut. Next, we're going to look at some of the clips of the Floor is Lava from the Virtual House Tournament.
The floor is lava. Floor is lava. Floor is lava in 3, 2, 1.
Lava is hot, so how about some cold jokes to offset the hot lava? I've even worn my Minnesota Cold shirt for these jokes. How does a penguin build its house? It glues it together. It glues it together? Where did the snowman keep his savings? In the snowbank. And which is faster, hot or cold? Hot is faster because you can catch a cold. Sticking with the cold theme, yesterday's riddle was, what bites but has no teeth? Frost. And today's cold riddle is, what gets colder as it warms up?
This day in history with Mr. Randall.
On May 19th, 1919, Mustafa Kemal landed at Samsun on the Black Sea coast, starting the Turkish War of Independence. Mustafa Kemal led an army of revolutionaries against Greece, France, and the United Kingdom. After about 3.5 years, Kemal was victorious. The modern country of Turkey was formed, and Mustafa Kemal was given the honorary title of Ataturk, and he became Turkey's first president.
Over to you, Mr. Quiggle.
It's quarantine with Quiggle.
It's quarantine with Quiggle.
Teamwork.
You might be wondering what was going on in that last clip. Well, yesterday our middle school teachers assembled 122 goodie bags and drove all around the city to deliver them to our students. Thank you so much, teachers, and thank you so much, students, for all the hard work that you are doing. Your advice from a senior today is from Grant.
Hope seniors, they're all really nice. Hope seniors, gonna give you advice. Hope seniors, what they say should suffice. Hope seniors, seniors.
Hey, this is Grant. I just wanted to share Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6 with you guys. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him and he will make your path straight. I use this verse as an encouragement for myself, because this verse helps me understand that God is my main source of strength. Like I would not be able to do anything without God, and I just encourage you guys as well to always put God first within anything that you want to accomplish or achieve. Just always remember to put God as a number one priority. Thank you.
Thank you, Grant. Have a great day, everyone.